Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Today's video is very special for beginners who want to learn real life English, the words you use every single day.
No difficult grammar, no heavy vocabulary, just simple English that you can actually speak in daily life.
So if you are a beginner, stay with us till the end. Let's start.
Let's start with basic daily life words. When you wake up in the morning, you say, "Good morning."
Yes. And after waking up, you might say, I am brushing my teeth. I am taking a shower. I am getting ready.
If someone asks you, "How are you?" you can say, "I'm fine. I'm good. I'm okay."
Very simple, right? These are the words we use every day without thinking.
Now let's talk about food, something everyone loves.
When you are hungry, you say, I am hungry. I want to eat Tiff.
And when you are eating, "I am eating breakfast. I am having lunch. I am having dinner."
You want water? Just say, I want water. Can I have water, please?
Very easy English that you can use in real life.
Now, let's move to school or work life.
If you are a student, you can say, "I am going to school. I am studying. I have homework."
And if you are at work, I am going to work. I am busy. I am on break.
These small sentences make your English sound natural and confident.
Let's learn some action words we use daily.
For example, I am going. I am coming. I am sitting. I am standing.
If someone calls you, you can say, I am coming. Wait for me.
These are very powerful small sentences in English conversation.
Now, let's do a short real-life conversation.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine. How about you?
I am good. What are you doing?
I am watching a video and learning English.
That's great. Keep learning every day.
Yes, practice is the key to success.
Remember, English is not difficult. You just need daily practice.
Use these simple words in your daily life, and you will improve fast.
Speak a little English every day.
And don't be afraid of mistakes. They help you learn. Thank you for watching.
See you in the next video.
Bye.